Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can monetize your content on the popular video app TikTok. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. So the popular video app TikTok, they also have a monetization process like YouTube monetization. And on YouTube you can monetize your content, that is your video on YouTube, and you earn revenue based on your views. And so this also applies on TikTok too. TikTok also has a way to monetize your video. You can get paid, you earn revenue based on the number of views you are getting from your audience. So let me show you guys how you can get started on this TikTok monetization. So in this video I'm going to show you three things about this TikTok monetization. I will explain to you what this TikTok monetization is, and I will show you the eligibility and I will show you the requirements, and I will show you how to get started. So the first thing, what is this TikTok monetization? It is called TikTok Creator Fund. So this TikTok Creator Fund, let me show you what it means and how you benefit from it. Okay, so the TikTok Creator Fund, it is the way TikTok reward creators for doing what they do best, that is making videos. So with this TikTok Creator Fund, you'll be able to monetize your videos once you meet up to their requirements. So that's the basic meaning of the TikTok Creator Fund. And let me show you about eligibility. What are the requirements that you need to meet up to earn money, to start earning money with this TikTok Creator Fund? The first thing is you must be at least 18 years old. So the second, you must have at least 10,000 followers and also at least 100,000 views in the past 30 days. The next thing, and that is the last, is you must be within US, UK, Germany, Italy, France, or Spain. So these are the countries that you must be in before you can be eligible. If you meet up to the requirements, that is if you have at least 10,000 followers and at least 100,000 views in the past 30 days and you're at least 18 years old, then you must, the last that is very, very important is being within the region that is eligible, which are US, UK, Germany, Italy, France, and Spain. So that's so those are the requirements. So if you know that you meet up to these requirements and you want to start making money with your videos on TikTok, then I'm going to show you how you can apply for the TikTok Creator Fund, and you get started on your journey of making money from TikTok Creator Fund. So to apply, click on Creator Tools from your account settings in the TikTok Creator app, in the TikTok app. So in the TikTok app, you click on the account settings, then you go to Creator Tools, then TikTok Creator Fund. This feature may not show if you are not within the region that is specified above, and if you don't meet up to the requirement, it will not show in your account. A number of factors influence how funds are calculated for videos under the program, and according to the TikTok official portal, they said, as you can see here, they said these elements include video views, video engagement, as well as ensuring the videos adhere to the community guidelines and terms of service. So your views and your other engagement like likes and so on, they also increase the way you earn. They take impact on the way you earn with this TikTok Creator. That's what I got for you in this video about TikTok Creator Fund. And if you have any question or if you have something about this Creator Fund, you can let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget the bell button too, please.